Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here with day number 6 of my Counterfeit Kit Challenge series, and today I'll be doing a one photo layout. This one is a Pagemap sketch. I'm starting with a Pagemap sketch, and it's this one down here in the corner. I'll show you a close-up here in just a minute, but you can see 2 embellishment clusters, 1 photo, a smaller background sheet of paper, if you will. You have the solid color, then you have a smaller square of pattern paper, and then a smaller color even behind the photo. Where I'm starting is I took those 2 pocket page cards that I had in that, oh, it looks like teeth to me. I don't know what it is, but it looks like teeth. They are from Felicity Jane, and that's the back side, the dot. So I took those as my background piece of paper, right? I have the gray from Close to My Heart. I have these, I'm going to call them houndstooth, even though I know that's not the pattern. And then there's a stitched edge along the top, and so instead of stitching, I'm going to use some washi tape, and I'm going to use that geometric star type shape. And then there's another sheet of paper to the side and behind the photos, and I'm going to use this floral piece from Close to My Heart because I have a scrap of it left, and I'd like to use a little bit more. Under the photo there is some stitching at the bottom of that paper, so I pulled in some more washi tape to see if this will work. If it doesn't work, I'm okay with that too. And then it's got a spot for a title and some journaling down the side, maybe, or some journaling over here. I've pulled in labels to possibly do my journaling on, and I have a whole stack of them here, and I kind of stacked them up how I thought I would use them. I have pulled in some flowers as my embellishment clusters here, and I even have a little random birdie that I want to use somewhere along here. But you can see as I pull all this stuff out and over to the side, and I get down to the base of things, how much stuff I actually have piled up here. Oh. So here we go. Here is our base background, right? Then this will be next, then my photo, and then all the other stuff comes in. So this is where I'm starting. Now, I'm going to show you a close-up of the sketch, and then I'll be back to show you what I have created. Okay friends, I am done with layout number 6. Now I used everything that I pulled in to start with, and then I pulled some additional things in, like these couple of scraps of paper here, some leftover white and some leftover of this Close to My Heart fuchsia, cranberry, I don't know what color you call that. Anywho, so I pulled those in. This is the pattern paper that I had that I cut down for behind the photo. I pulled these enamel dots in. I didn't originally have them with the supplies that I had pulled, so I pulled those out to use. I used the washi strips like I thought I would. I used all of this piece and then a portion of this one, and then I used both pieces of this pink and red stripe, and those I doubled up because they were so sheer on top of the pattern paper. As far as the chipboard pieces go, I used all the ones that I pulled out. I went ahead and pulled this in and pulled out a piece of flare from here, so that feels good, getting another piece of that used up. Label wise, I used a small sticker from here, I used a round sticker from here, I used all but one from this sheet that I had left over, and then I used all but one of this sheet that I had left over. So I didn't use, all of those at one go. I just had, a few left on there that I got used up. I pulled in this alphabet to create my title with, and then here is the layout that I created. I did it a little differently even than I thought I was going to do. And I'll pull this over here so you can kind of see. I hope you can kind of see. When you look at the sketch and then you look at what I created, they have a similar feel. They're not exact. I don't always follow the sketch to a T. Yes, I have my background paper. Yes, I have my additional paper here. Yes, I have my journaling here. Yes, I have 2 embellishment clusters here and here. And I have my date down here. Did I do something a little bit different? Yes. Did I play around with things? Yes. Did I build it how I wanted it? Yes. So even though I didn't follow this, I ended up with something similar, and I love how this turned out. Y'all hear me say it all the time. I love when I can create a layout that has the feel of the sketch, but it's still mine. You know what I mean? It's like I took this as inspiration, and to me that's what sketches are meant to do, is provide you with inspiration so that you can build these layouts that you're happy once they're in your scrapbook. Layering all these labels, I have done this off and on for years. I love that look of layered up labels and then doing your journaling on them. So I love that. Getting these chipboard pieces used up, it's like, how am I ever going to make that happen? But then you have to figure out a way that you're happy with. Would I love to add more bling and flowers and stuff to each of those clusters? I absolutely would, because that's me. But sometimes when you have busy paper, you have busy labels and journaling, and you have busy embellishments, you have to learn, okay, I got to find my medium and stop there. And that's, I think I've found my balance with that on this layout. Doesn't happen on every layout, y'all. Sometimes I go overboard, and that's okay. I'm not going to complain. It's the process you go through. So I will have close-ups of each of the clusters at the end of the video. So if you want to see those with a little bit more detail, make sure stay tuned for that. Otherwise, I will be back tomorrow with another layout for day number 7. This one will come to a close tomorrow for this kit. Not that I will be done with the kit, because I still have a ton and I can't use all of what I have on that one layout tomorrow. So I'm going to have to extend it somehow, or either do some creating around other projects going on. I might include it with my 30 days of scrapbooking with Christy's Beautiful Life for next month. I haven't made up my mind yet, but I might include the rest of this kit with that. But we'll see what's left over after tomorrow. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you being here, and I will see you on the next layout. Bye.